Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. We got our Imperfect Foods boxes today. Let's check it out. Oh, we got a cabbage. Two cabbages. Potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Sourdough bread. Got some broccoli. Tomatoes. That's an English cucumber. Yes. Crackers. Oh, my grapes, yummy. Coconut with dark chocolate bars. Chocolate, yeah, oatmeal milk. More tomatoes. Baby spinach. There's my spring mix. Oh, that's different. It's usually in a plastic box like the baby spinach is. Different packaging. Oatmeal milk. Or oat milk. Oh, protein drinks. Let's try those out. Okay, that looks like some butter. And we got some apple juice. And that is some sort of chocolate milk. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, I'll be right back. We'll get a closer look at it.